Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to convert contacts from Android to iPhone. If you are an Android user and now you are an iPhone user, so you don't know how you can convert your contacts from iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone, so this video is for you. First of all, go to your mobile phone setting. This is very basic and easy step by using which you can easily add contacts from your Android phone. On Android phone there is a Gmail option and all your contacts are saved in Gmail. So what you have to go to the setting, and here you have to search for contacts. After searching for contacts, I'm searching for contacts. After searching for contacts, here you can see I'm opening contact option. After opening contact option, now here you can see contacts account. You have to select on that. After selecting on contacts account, a new option, a new page will be appear, and this is the page you are looking for. This page demands add an account. You have to add an account of your Android Gmail, like in which you have save your contacts and add these contact into this. Then by using this, your Android contacts will be saved into your iPhone. Now you can see here, you can see you can add any contacts: iCloud, Microsoft, Google, Yahoo, Outlook.com, any account like in which your contacts are saved, you can easily add here. So this is the very basic and easy step. Press on Google and now you have to enter your Gmail, or press on any other option like you want to. If you want to enter iCloud, if you want to share contact from iPhone to iPhone, you can easily use this option. Now you have to enter name, email, password and description, all that of your mails in which you have saved your contact. So by using this step, you can easily save your contacts in iPhone from Android. Hope so friends you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel and comment below if you like this video and understand this video. This is very informative video for you if you are an iPhone user and want to convert your Android contacts here. So hope so you enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next video.